Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a pattern in Illustrator. Now I'm going to use some basic shapes just as an example, but you can use any complex shape. Okay, I'm gonna draw some ellipses here and duplicate. Click on the circle and hold Alt key and then also hold the Shift key to make sure it horizontally aligns with other circle. Now click on the first circle, hold Alt key and select all of them. Now hold the Alt key again and drag out the entire selection. Make sure you're also pressing down the Shift key to align the circles vertically. And this is how you duplicate the selection of multiple objects. Okay, with all circles selected, go to Object and click Group. So we're grouping them together into one object. Now, one of the ways for adding this as a pattern in Illustrator is by going to Window and go to Swatches. Once you have the Swatches window on the screen, go ahead and just drag your selected pattern right into the Swatches box here and release the mouse button. You're going to see your pattern appear in a little box here with all the other colors. And so when you double click on this pattern in the Swatches, the pattern options window shows up, and here you can change the details about your pattern. Using the tile type dropdown, you can align the pattern as bricks or hexagon, and at the bottom here in this dropdown, you can select how many copies your pattern will extend in all directions. So here I have 5 by 5 or 7 by 7, and as you can see, it defines how far your pattern will extend. Okay, but how do we actually fill an object with this pattern we just created? Okay, I'm gonna go and draw a star. The first thing you'll notice is the pattern is too big, and the problem is even when you resize the star, the pattern within does not resize. Okay, so what you want to do is right click on the object, go to transform and go to scale. Now, make sure to deselect scale corners, deselect scale strokes and effects, and deselect transform objects. So the only checkbox here you have is transform patterns. Okay, with the transform patterns selected, select this number here and move your mouse wheel up or down. And this will allow you to scale the pattern within the object.